Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, as a continuation to public issue concept, let us learn about underwriting and also about rights issue. Rights issue is also a part of primary market. Underwriting public issue. So, here public issue through prospectus may be undersubscribed or oversubscribed. It is also called underissued or overissued. They use even that word issue also, but correct word is undersubscribed or oversubscribed. Oversubscribed means a company receives more applications for subscription than the actual shares issued. Usually reputed companies get overissued. Underissue or undersubscribed means the issuing company does not get required minimum of 90% applications for subscription of shares. If the company gets undersubscription, it cannot issue shares to the public. Under such circumstances, they approach underwriters who agree to subscribe to the shares up to the required percentage. Who is an underwriter? Underwriter is a person or an institution whose business is to underwrite a portion of shares issued to the public for subscription by an issuing company to make the required subscription in connection with the new issue. In India, a person or institution can undertake underwriter business only after obtaining approval from SEBI. Therefore, they have to register with SEBI. Merchant bankers, stockbrokers need not register separately because their functions implies underwriting also. In India, all major banks, merchant banks are members of stock exchange are involved in this business. Actually, what is the procedure? Before launching the public issue itself, the issuing company appoints underwriter for the proposed issue, that is to be on safe side. An underwriter is usually a company's merchant banker or any development financial institution. The underwriter and the issuing company enter into an agreement where the underwriter agrees to subscribe to the portion of shares of proposed issue if they are not fully subscribed. Underwriting in public issue is known as underwriting assistance. In rights issue, it is called standby assistance. These two terms you need to understand. Underwriting is called underwriting assistance in public issue, whereas in case of rights issue, it is called standby assistance. Underwriters usually charge commission for this service. What is its importance? Underwriting became essential due to uncertainties in capital market. If issue is not totally subscribed, shares cannot be allotted to subscribers and the company has to refund the money. It leads to unnecessary burden on company and total project fails. Other companies cannot dare to raise capital through public issue when one company fails to get required subscription, and this affects entire new issue market. Rights issue, that is another topic. It is a continuation to the, I can say, last topic in primary market. Under section 81 of the Companies Act, when shares are offered to existing shareholders, it is called rights issue. Remember, public issue is for general public, rights issue is only for the shareholders of that particular company. You need to remember the difference between these two. It is an offer to the existing shareholders by the issuing company to buy certain securities at price within a specified period. Shares offered to the existing shareholders are called rights shares. Such offer is also known as privileged subscription. Under this method, after offering shares to the shareholders, the unsubscribed shares will be offered to the public for subscription, but usually it never happen. The shareholders are sanctioned shares according to the total shares already they held by them. This offer is made by a circular or notice to the existing shareholders. New companies cannot issue rights issue, they cannot go for right issue because they do not have that concept. Already only existing share, but new company, how can they have existing shareholders? That is why new companies cannot go for rights issue. Then, what are the advantages of rights issue? Rights issue is really a good idea. It does not involve underwriting, no brokerage, no advertising, no printing expenditure, as all these are involved in public issue. This is simple and risk-free method of issuing shares. Allotment procedure is simple, it ensures equitable distribution of shares, and another very important one is ownership will not be diluted. Ownership in the company remains the same. It satisfies the shareholders and motivates them to concentrate on the company's welfare. That's all in this video.